Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn some GK question and answer. So let's start the video. So first question is, what is the national animal of India?
The answer is tiger.
What is the national bird of India?
The answer is peacock.
The next question is, what is the national flower of India?
The answer is lotus.
What is the national tree of India?
The answer is banyan tree.
What is the national game of India?
The answer is hockey.
What is the national anthem of India?
The answer is Jana Gana Mana.
Who made the national anthem of India? The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. What is the national song of India? And the answer is Vande Mataram. What is the national river of India? And the answer is the Ganga. What is the national fruit of India?
The answer is mango.
What is the national monument of India? And the answer is the India Gate. What is the national vegetable of India? And the answer is pumpkin. What is the national heritage animal of India? And the answer is the Indian elephant. What is the national aquatic animal of India? And the answer is dolphin. What is the national currency of India? And the answer is Indian rupee. What is the national calendar of India? The answer is Shaka calendar.